What's the one thing you remember from high school biology? Mitochondria?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Cut. Why do you have to start every video with a random edit? 'Cause it's tough? It is not tough. It was peak cinema. I lost 3 brain cells from watching that. You know, speaking of cells... Kidding, dude, it's every time! Cell organelles. Now hear me out on this one. Minecraft. I get it now. He onto something. Let him cook. So basically, I'm gonna just be comparing a plant or animal cell to your average late game Minecraft base, and also talking about 10 cell organelles specifically. But real quick, I will also be posting this to my YouTube, so Miss Teacher, feel free to click the link I attached in Google Classroom and drop a sub. Appreciate ya. But yeah, since my grades are mighty fine in biology. Don't look at that. Just roll the tape. First up, number 1, we got the cytoskeleton and the base itself. This one's pretty simple. The cytoskeleton makes up the frame or structure of the cell, similar to how the main base houses all of your chests, your furnaces, and other important stuff. Number 2 is the plasma membrane and the outer wall or fence. The plasma membrane is the wall that encases and protects the entire cell from its surroundings, like how the fence or wall of the base circles the whole area of land and keeps out hostile mobs during the night. Number 3 is the vacuole and the main storage room. The vacuole stores materials for the cell for later use, such as water, salts, proteins, and other carbohydrates, while your main storage room is full of organized chests that store all of your loot, blocks, food, and other supplies. Number 4 is the lysosome and the lava pit. Lysosomes break down and digest old and worn-out cells to dispose of them the same way that the lava pit burns any items that aren't needed or are taking up inventory space. Number 5 is the ribosome and the automatic farms. Ribosomes produce proteins and other materials for the cell to use, just like how mob farms, iron farms, slime farms, so on and so forth, produce loot, food, blocks, and other goods required by the player. Number 6 is the vesicle and the local autofarm storage. Vesicles store materials produced by other organelles locally until they are transported to the vacuole for main storage. Similar to how each autofarm's chests hold the materials temporarily before they are transported to the main storage room. Number 7 is the endoplasmic reticulum and the chest minecart. The endoplasmic reticulum is what transports materials from the ribosomes to the vacuoles for long-term storage. Just like how the chest minecarts collect materials from the automatic farms around the base and transports them back to the main storage room to be sorted and put away. Number 8 is the centriole and the sign and item frame. Centrioles are what organize different parts of the cell and their functions, and signs and item frames label different areas on the base and even label chests to show what kinds of items they store. Number 9 is the flagella and the piston or sticky piston. Flagella are long whip-like tails that allow for basic movement in the cell, and pistons are the block that allow different parts of the base to move, as well as the automatic farms or even redstone doors. And finally, number 10, last but most certainly not least, it's your boy, the big man himself, the mitochondria! And of course, redstone. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and provides energy to get all the other parts of the cell operating, similar to how redstone powers all the mechanisms that allow the base to function, and without it, there wouldn't be a base at all. And there you have it, folks, the complete list of cell organelles compared to a Minecraft base. Deuces.